How to verify your Discord account on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can verify our Discord account on PC. So let's get started. First of all, in your PC, open up discord.com and then log into your account. Now to verify your Discord account, you have to either verify your email address or your phone number, whichever you have used while creating your Discord account. Now to do that, once you land on this page, now navigate to your profile name right here on your left hand side, and next to it there is a gear icon that says user settings. Click on it. Now that will take you to your account page. Now under this account page, you will be able to find your email and phone number. Now if you haven't verified your email address, then you will have this verify button next to email. In my case, I have already verified by my email address, so verify button is not available here. But in your case, if your account is not verified, you will see verify button next to email. Simply click on it. After that, you will receive a verification mail in this Gmail account that you have linked to your Discord account with. Open up your Gmail and there check an email from Discord. There you will get a verification code. Click or copy the code and then paste it in this Discord account. Once I verify it, and if the code is correct, your email address will be verified. And the same case with the phone number. If your phone number is not verified, there you'll have a verification or verify button. Click on it. After that, it will ask you for a verification code. You will receive a verification code in this mobile number linked with your Discord account. So go and check your mobile number, and there in phone messages there you'll have a verification code. Simply type in the code, and then once you verify it, your phone number will also get verified. So this is the way to verify your Discord account. That's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.